Deep shadow, Ombra Profonda. Beautiful look, very rich, dramatic. In this look, I really like the type of the blended colors, two blended colors together that it speaks to the skin tones. So it's dramatic, rich, vibrant, but in the same time, that softness and natural.
Haircut. Step 1. Take section following the round of the head from behind the ear, over direct to the opposite side and straight cut. Repeat the same step for the other side. Step 2. In the back, part down the middle, taking a triangle section, over direct to the front and straight cut. Step 3. For the fringe, take a U-shaped parting, twist and elevate to 180 degrees and point cut. Sectioning. Section the front down the middle, create a V parting in the back. Step 1. Generously mist the hair with Chi Bond and seal. To dampen the hair for a wet balayage. Step 2. Starting in the back left, free hand paint and feather the start of your balayage, with 2 sections on the hairline following the V parting 1/2 inch away from the scalp, applying Formula 1. Step 3. Continue following the V parting, taking diagonal back subsections, teasing some of your sections to blend. Step 4. In the front, take horizontal sections that follow the natural round of the head, alternating between weaving and freehand painting. Process until you have reached the desired level. 60 minutes is suggested. Rinse for 3 to 5 minutes with lukewarm water, followed by Chi Royal treatment, clarifying shampoo, and clarifying treatment. Step 5. Apply Formula 2 from roots to ends all over. Process for 30 minutes. Rinse and shampoo with Royal treatment, color, gloss protecting shampoo and conditioner.